Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to apply for Capital One credit card. Capital One is an official corporation which has American bank specializing on banking products. To apply for Capital One credit card, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type www.capitalone.com. Then press on enter. Then you'll be taken to Capital One's official website. Now here, click on credit cards option at the top. Then here you can see types of credit cards that you can choose from. I am choosing credit building. So click on credit building. Now here you'll be taken to the application page of the website. Now here scroll down. Then here you can see different options of credit card that you can choose from. You can choose on the basis of features of the credit card. So choose one of the credit card you want to apply, then click on apply now. Now here you need to fill all your information. You need to first enter your personal information. So first enter your legal first name on the given box. Then enter your middle initial if you have one. Then enter your legal last name on the given box. With that, enter your date of birth on the given box. Then enter your social security number or individual tax ID on the given box. With that, verify your social security number or individual tax ID by re-entering SSN or individual tax ID. Then choose whether you are US citizen or not. Then select if you have other citizenship of other country. Then now here you need to enter your contact information. First, enter your residential address on the given box. Then, you can enter your apartment suite if applicable. Then, enter your zip code on the given box. If you enter the correct residential address, then your city and state will be automatically generated. Now, if you want to add mailing address, you can click on Add Mailing Address. Now, here enter your email address on the given box. Then, enter your primary phone number. Then select the type of your phone number, whether it is a mobile phone number, home number or work number. With that, now here you need to enter your financial information. First, select your employment status. After selecting your employment status, enter your occupation. Then, enter your total annual income on the given box. Then, enter your monthly rent or mortgage. With that, select if you have any bank account. Now select if approved, do you intend to use credit card for cash advance? This is an optional choice. Now view through additional information. Now view through electronics communication agreements. Then click on the box of paperless communication and statements. Then view through access and verification authorization. Then click on the box of access and verification authorization. Now select the language for your future communication, whether it is English or Spanish. Then here look through the important disclosures. Look through Capital One account terms and conditions. Then click on continue. After clicking on continue, your application will be submitted. Then it will go through the process of verification. With that, it will take few days for your application to be reviewed by Capital One. After your application gets reviewed, you will be informed. This is how we can apply for Capital One credit card. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked this tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.